everyone, this is Roslyn once again from Gem and Rose Vlog. Today I'm going to cook boiled egg without water. But before I show you how, if this is the first time you watch my video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button so that you will receive notification every time I uploaded video. You may also leave comment for any request. Okay, I'll show you. This is empty. This is Salad Master cooking utensils. So first, I show you how I put it like this. This is I grab a paper towel. Okay guys, this is the paper towel. I need to make it wet. And put it here, covered it like that. And I'll take 3 eggs. 3 eggs. I put it inside. Covered it. Turn it on to medium heat. And then we will wait until this vapor valve, this is the vapor valve, to click before we do everything. Before we turn it down. So guys, hope you will follow me on my YouTube channel. And just leave your comment. And then before I forgot, I need to shout out to my best friend who donated the ring light for me so that I can have my very good video next time. And hi, before I forgot, I will cook the egg in 12 minutes. And then you will see the outcome of that one. It's not overcooked. It's really right. Like, oh, I'll show you. Okay guys. Now you can hear the vapor bud clicking. We need to put it in a low fire. In a low fire, guys. Here. See, this is the low fire. And then we will put 12 minutes for that one. I need to put we need to alarm it. Okay, just 1 minute. Okay, we will alarm it. Like, we put timer. 10 minutes. I put 10 minutes for that one, and then you will hear it, guys. I put it there. I'm not going to cheat. Okay? Right now, it start clicking. If you touch it, it's very hot. So that's the time we can put the fire in a low mode. And then let's check, guys, what are we going to do next. I know this is my my second vlog, or this is my 3rd day of vlogging. Hope you will follow me to the end. And then, oh, but before I forgot, guys, if I will reach 100 subscriber, I will do a raffle. And then you guys in Philippines, Tagalog tayo ng pasensya minsan. Kasi, kailangan ko rin itong i-post sa, ng Salad Master. So, minsan, mag-i-English ako ng konting-konti lang. So, spare with me. Kasi some of the customer in Salad Master, the Elite Cuisine, are white. And then, some are either other races, so we need to talk in English sometimes, kahit bali-bali ko. So, sana maintindihan nyo ako. Accent ko man is hindi tama, okay lang yun. As long as naiintindihan nyo ako. Okay guys, once again, shout ako dun sa friend ko, kay Rolani Galano, na bumili siya ng, I'll show you, 1 minute. Habang nag-aantay tayo guys ng aking itlog, I'm going to show you. Ito yung binigay niya kahapon lang. Para daw medyo gaganda-ganda yung aking vlogging. Ganun ka-supportive yung aking BFF. Thank you, Rolani Orkia, for giving me this one. Guys, you can purchase this one if you're here in Calgary, you can purchase this in Best Buy. Or maybe, pag sa Pilipinas ka, nasa Lazada din siya. So, Hindi ko pa nagamit siya, guys. Kasi, alam mo na, I need to go to work. I just wear this one. I'll just show you guys. Kasi na-miss ko rin maging presenter ng Salad Master. So, I'm trying to do this one. Kahit hindi na ako nagpe-present, I just want to share my healthy cooking utensils. So, bakit ko sinabing healthy siya, guys? Kasi po, 1 minute. Kasi po, ito yung isa. I'll show you, where is it? This one. I'll show you this. Dito ako nagsasaing. Dito ako nagluluto ng aking ulam that I don't need to put oil. Okay? Madali lang siya. Lagay mo lang siya lahat. Nandun na. So, next time, I will show, okay, on my next video, I will show you how to make sinigang or afritada na hindi ko na kailangan gumamit ng mantika. Maluluto na siya. Ito mainit siya kasi papasok na po ako. Maya-maya lang. Kaya nagluto ako para sa aking mahal na asawa. This one. Okay to go. This one. This is mine. It's still steaming. Tinulang manok for my nonoy. For Jan Pondo. So, okay guys. We still have 6 minutes to go before my egg will be cooked. Just let me know. Leave a comment if you have any request for me. I will try my best to do it for you. And hopefully you will like it. And maybe gradually I will be good in vlogging. Because it is not easy for me from a nanny to cashier and to be a vlogger. So guys, see you. I don't like this. Ang tagal nating antayin. It's 12 minutes without water. So next time, I will cook also fried chicken without oil. Okay? Wait for that one. And then I will promise you, you will like it. I'll cook that one straight from the freezer without oil and without salt. You will taste how I wish you are with me. You will taste the, what do you call this? The natural taste of a chicken. Because like us, if we are working mom, and then from work, if we go home like, oh my God, it's so late already. I forgot to thaw my chicken. Don't worry, guys. The next machine I'm going to show you in my next video, it will be a worth saver as a mom. Because you can cook it straight from the freezer, no salt needed, and then as what I said earlier, it is healthy because you don't need oil. And then yung mga anong tawag doon? Yung oil from yung mga fatty from the chicken, mawawala mo rin yun. Plus less salt. And then after that, I will show you also how to cook fried, ano nga ba yun? Pansit. Fried bihon or pansit in 7 minutes. And then I will show you also how to cut vegetables in just 2 minutes. You're done cutting all your vegetables that you're going to use for your fried noodles or bihon or pansit or whatever you're going to say it. So, and then if you want to have that utensil, this item, just let me know. Put your comment below and we will go. If you are here in Calgary, we will go to your house and we will show it to you, and you don't need to prepare anything. Just let us borrow your kitchen. We bring everything for you. We show it for you for free. And if you're in Philippines, pag nasa Pilipinas po kayo, just PM me. Just PM me, and then I will tell Kuya, the Elite Cuisine owner, to do to make the impossible possible for you, to see how it really works. How the salad master. See, we change life. This is what it says here. I'm just not promoting my vlog. I'm just doing also my salad master because it's been like 3 years. 3 years na hindi ako nagpe-present because when I start working in my present job now, I don't have time, guys. But because I don't drive. That's my bad habit. Sorry for the blah blah thing. I don't drive, but I will try my best to show you more even I'm at home how to share how we change lives in Salad Master. Okay, guys, according to our things here, we only have 47, 46 seconds, 34 seconds. Then our egg will be ready. Okay? There we go. Sana guys, magustuhan nyo to. And then you can try it. And then I can cook with this thing, what we call the stove top cake. We can cook cake here. And then like 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's off. And then this one will be off. Okay, it's off now, guys. Let's try. If I failed, that's a okay? Put my phone here. I'll grab it. Siyempre naman, guys, mainit kaya yan. Tingnan natin, ha? Titingnan natin. So, guys, here, nandito lang ako. Kuha ako ng mainit na tubig. Malamig na tubig pala. Kasi kukunin natin. Let's try! Oh, hindi ako galit. Saglit lang kasi mahirap, guys, mag-vlog mag-isa. So, this is it. There's still no water here. Okay. Okay. I only need to get one. La 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 la. Ba 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 ba. I'm back. I need to grab this one. We need to peel this one kasi mainit siya. I put this one away. I will give that one for my husband because he'll be here soon. And I never show it to him how I cook this. So when he come back home, he will think why there is a napkin inside here. I'll take it out. Okay, see? It's still here. Let's try. Let's try. Good. Hello, is this me you're looking? You want me to sing, guys? Oh my God, you will love it. See? Hindi ako magaling mag-ballard. Pasensya na, guys, kasi medyo mainit siya. See here. See? Okay. In a very low fire, guys. Ay. How can I tell her about you? Guys, di ba ang ganda ng boses ko? My voice, I have a golden voice. I tell you. Parang ang tagal naman. It has been so... Oh dear. Okay, guys. Parang Ganyan lang siya. Guys. See? It is a good one. All yellow, guys. It's really, really good. See? This is how to cook boiled egg without water. Okay, guys. This is Roslyn once again saying stay safe and healthy and enjoy.